Hey, Ben Norman here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you very quickly how I upload my videos from Final Cut Pro to YouTube with literally one click of a button. So it's going to be a very short video, it's a very simple process. It's one of the main reasons that I love Final Cut Pro, is that once I've edited all of my footage, played it back, I know that I like it, I know that it's good. All I've got to do is basically export, YouTube, go, off it goes. And I can do this in batches, so I can select a series of videos, hit go, off it goes, and then I basically just need to wait for it all to be uploaded, and then I can skip off into YouTube and basically carry on all of my optimization in there. So I'd love to know, how are you uploading your videos to YouTube? Let me know in the comments below, and let's skip into it, and I'll show you the exact process for how to upload videos from Final Cut Pro into YouTube with like the click of a button. Let's go. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can really quickly and simply get your video recording from Final Cut Pro into your YouTube channel. So basically I've got a video here on how to record my YouTube videos. I've already edited it. I'm literally going to make sure that it is selected, which it is. Top tip, if you want to upload multiple videos at the same time, just hold down the command key and select 2, and you can upload 2 or 3 at the same time. However, I just want to upload the one, so I'm going to go to the upload button on the right to share the project. Here we've got a load of different things that we can save it out as. Now, I've already got my YouTube channel saved in here. However, if you don't, you can select a destination, hit YouTube, and here you will basically sign into your YouTube channel, and you will be able to sign in here. Top tip, you want to make sure that you are uploading at maximum resolution. I always go better quality. Don't want it as private, we want it as unlisted when it gets uploaded, and then select whatever your category is. So, you know, if you are in education or how to, whatever it is that you are in, a lot of people will be in kind of more of an education. So depending on what you're going to be uploaded in, 4K, HD, whatever, make sure you are selecting what you are uploading in and sign in though. Like I say, I've already got mine logged. So I literally come over here and I select my YouTube channel. It will say here, it will give me my info, it will tell me what is being uploaded in, and in settings you can just double check. So as you can see, I'm going better quality, I'm uploading in HD because this isn't recorded in 4K, it's recorded in HD. This will just pull through the settings that we've already set, so you don't need to check this every time. You literally just need to hit the next button. It will say here that you know, you need to make sure you're not uploading copyrighted material, so not using someone's song, for example. Hit publish, and then you suddenly go, oh, hang on, is it working? If you want to double check, if you come over to the progress icon and click on there, you will see that sharing is writing how I record my YouTube videos, and as the disc up here kind of gets more complete, you know, it's nearly full, you can always, like I say, you can click on the disc and see how far it's got. If you suddenly made a mistake, you wanted to cancel it, click the X and cancel out. A couple of things with uploading, I do tend to do it in batches. I'm just doing one to show you in this video. I tend to do all of my editing, so I do it all in one go, and then I upload my videos a week at a time. So I'd select 3 and I'd upload it, and I'd normally do it later on in the evening so it can upload overnight when it's not going to affect my working or interfere, because obviously I don't really want to be editing in Final Cut and it be doing these background tasks. The only thing that I would say, it will pop up with a little alert saying that your YouTube video has been successfully shared to YouTube. Just click on it, make sure you head over to YouTube, make sure it is saved there, and then when you are there, you're going to want to hit the play button. Just make sure that it hasn't clipped any of the ends off and it's all uploaded properly, I don't get any issues, but I always check it, because the last thing you want to do is upload a video, it's corrupt, you go through all the process, then wonder why it's not working, and then find out that the file was corrupt on upload. But uploading to YouTube with Final Cut Pro is as simple as that. Okay, so it's that simple. That's all you've got to do. Literally click the button and off it goes, and it's in YouTube. Obviously, you've got to wait for it to upload. Make sure you carry on with your internet connection. Don't just go flipping the lid of your Mac down, because you'll find that it'll just time out and it won't upload. Also, just make sure once you've uploaded into YouTube, you play the videos back. I always do this whilst I'm editing them. I just play them back, make sure they play through and there's not been any kind of gremlins got in there, nothing's gone wrong with the upload, and you're good to go. So as always, I hope you've liked this video. If you have, make sure you smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.